The business department here at Chatham uses APA style. There's a tab within the Business 671 guide for APA citation. This guide can be found elsewhere within our various library guides as well. Here you have a couple of options that will help you when you are creating your citations. If you'd like to learn APA in more detail, you can give the crash course a try. The APA citation style guides are websites that give you examples of what a particular source cited in APA style should look like, and then you have the job of figuring out how to turn the source you have into the correctly formatted citation. So they just provide an example, and you do all the work. However, if you scroll down further, we have these APA citation creators. The third one listed, ZoteroBib, lets you enter a piece of information about a source that uniquely identifies it, such as an ISBN for a book, a DOI for an article, or a URL, and then it tries to create the full citation. I'm going to go ahead and grab the ISBN for this book about Nike and enter it into ZoteroBib. If we scroll down so that we're making sure that we get the APA style citation, we can see that it's put it in the correct order, but it's left out the author. This is a good example of where it doesn't always get it completely correct. However, I've tried using DOIs for journal articles before, and it's done pretty well, so it kind of varies. Make sure you check the citation you get from ZoteroBib. The final options are Zotero and Mendeley, and they are the most full-featured. These tools are designed to help you organize your research and create citations, and not only the reference list citations, but also the in-text citations. They both connect to Word so that you can be writing your paper, inserting in-text citations as you go, and with a single click, create the entire bibliography at the end. The business department encourages the use of Zotero, so that's your best bet. If you want to know more about it or you need help setting it up, you can ask either me or Dana Mastriani, or use the documentation on their website. So up at the top, they have a link for documentation and a lot of options within here that will provide information on how to use this very neat tool.